It is not safe to assume that the neutral conductor is supposed to be grounded based on the wiring diagram you described. The wiring diagram only illustrates the electrical connections of the motor and cooling fan components. It does not provide information about grounding practices. Grounding is a vital electrical safety measure typically implemented separately from a device's wiring diagram. In electrical systems, the neutral conductor is often connected to the grounding system. This connection provides a safe path for fault currents and helps maintain a stable voltage reference. However, specific grounding arrangements can vary significantly. These variations depend on the electrical system configuration and the relevant electrical codes and standards. To accurately determine if the neutral conductor in your situation should be grounded, you must refer to the applicable electrical codes and standards. Consulting a qualified electrician is also recommended. They can provide expert guidance tailored to your specific situation. Understanding grounding is essential for electrical safety. It ensures that fault currents have a safe path to ground, minimizing the risk of electrical shock and equipment damage. Electrical codes, such as the National Electrical Code, often abbreviated as NEC, provide detailed requirements for grounding electrical systems. These requirements are designed to protect people and property from electrical hazards. When examining a wiring diagram, focus on the connections between components. The diagram will show how the motor and cooling fan are wired together. However, it likely won't show the grounding connections. Grounding is typically handled separately and is often indicated by a separate grounding electrode conductor connecting to a grounding electrode system. Consulting with an electrician is particularly important because they have the knowledge and experience to assess your specific electrical system. They can identify any potential hazards and ensure that the system is properly grounded. They can also verify that the grounding system meets all applicable code requirements. If you are unsure about any aspect of electrical wiring or grounding, always seek professional help. Working with electricity can be dangerous, and it is important to take all necessary precautions. A qualified electrician can perform a thorough inspection of your electrical system and make any necessary repairs or upgrades to ensure that it is safe and reliable. In summary, relying solely on a wiring diagram to determine grounding requirements is not advisable. Grounding is a critical safety measure that requires careful consideration of electrical codes, standards, and the specific characteristics of your electrical system. Consulting with a qualified electrician is the best way to ensure that your system is properly grounded and safe. They have the expertise to assess your system and provide the appropriate grounding solutions. Proper grounding is essential for protecting against electrical hazards and ensuring the safe operation of electrical equipment.